哇！
外地的朋友也会过来这里去打卡。These are like my favorite types of restaurants.
Wow.
It's just like
The authentic.
it looks like it
thing.
used to be like a tent, and then they built a building around it.
Oh.
But it's just like open.
You get to try this. Oh, Chenti. The star of the town.
Is it the same way? There's like one town is famous for this, and one town is famous for
Yeah.
that. It's just,
Like the durian.
oh yeah.
We
tasted
incorporate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I've never had the Filipino variant.
Oh, I see.
Where are the best mangoes from?
Cebu, I think.
Yeah. They're best ones. Wow. We're lucky to experience this. Wow. We're going on a hotpot today. It's lunchtime. Whoa. You get to choose your sauce.
They have everything that they sell. They tell you how long to put it in the hot pot. The leave like 10 to 12 seconds.
10 to 12.
I guess it won't be that useful for you, but beef rib 8 to 10 minutes. You know, beef 10 to 2 to 3 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes. That's the so that's bone marrow. Oh, on the top, that top character is seconds, and then the bottom character is minutes, or like the top 3 are seconds, and the bottom, the next 4.
Actually, it worked. Hey, tara.
So we grab drinks if we want.
Oh, okay.
And do you need to use the bathroom?
Yeah, I mean,
It's over that way to the left.
you have to go outside.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Like there's a, yeah.
I can see it from here.
Yeah.
It's blocked. So let's grab some drinks first. Let's see what they got in here. Oh, I like this one. I like this.
You should break that.
Yeah, don't do that. Like different hair needs.
Got the big scallion bacon. It's a type of like.
Ah, sushi.
Lamig experience sa lamig ng mga bata.
Gusto ka na?
I think we're here, guys. Let's go out. Let's head out. So,
One, ha?
kami sa park, guys. Bird park. But there's no birds. Maybe you need to like feed them with something so that they'll go near.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Yawa ka, Jay. You did like it. Yawa ka, Jay. Yawa ka, Jay. We're here.
We're gonna go get tickets.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Can you say, yeah, what? Sarap?
Wow. Hala. Mao din ang boat.
What? Oh.
Does anyone want ice cream?
Yeah. Oh, you can chill.
It's funny, David. You keep on cursing and no one understands it, so it's completely fine.
Yeah.
Ice cream's on me, guys.
Oh!
Share.
What do you guys want?
Ah, yeah, same thing with that.
Four fish?
Let's try that one.
Where's the dog?
Flying fish.
Flying fish ang ano mong good, it's a fish. Oh, we have this.
Ah, ito totoo. Wow. Hoy, nice good siya. So Jay treated us ice creams. Are you single, Jay? Or
I might be single. Might be single. Be single.
wow!
Oh, shoot!
I don't know what asking.
We'll post it here. If you
Link.
subscribe,
Number in the bio.
you want me how fine shit?
Wait, what? Ni hao fine shit? What does that mean?
Fine Chinese man.
Fine Chinese man.
Yeah.
Fine shit is like the Gen Alpha lingo.
Hey guys. So, kaya pa nila ang wondering, no? Kailan po yung translation ba?
You guys want to learn Chinese, Chris?
Ay, hala.
Bring it on.
Learn Chinese curse words with Teacher Jay.
These are like, don't say them.
Oh, okay.
Say them in front of like Chinese.
Oh, yeah.
So fuck is Cao. And then you combine it into Cao ni ma bi. Just say it. Fuck your mom's pussy.
Oh my god.
Cao ni ma bi. B is pussy.
Okay.
Oh.
Ma is like my mother.
Ah,
B
okay.
is you. Like, fuck your mom's pussy. Say like, what's up?
What's up? It's like, what's up?
Fuck.
Ah.
What's up? It's just like, bila.
See this?
Yeah, you would say, what's up?
What's up?
Gago mo, uy. Oh my gosh. What's up?
Am I too loud?
That was really good, by the way. Very good.
Learning from the
People
best.
People can understand here. Pilat, people don't understand.
So we can discount. Bilat! This is fun.
Yes.
bonus curse word. Because we're in Guangdong, I'm gonna teach you a Cantonese one.
Wala.
So it's like Bisaya in our place. Okay, go ahead.
Diu. Like
Diu.
D-I-U.
You.
It also means fuck. And then you combine it with Diu lei lo mo.
Oh, this is how our... Diu lo...
mo.
Diu lei lo mo.
That is fuck your mom.
Again? Why do you love that, Jay?
Because it's common, it's what people say.
Do you want that?
And the last one.
Yeah.
Ding lego fake.
Oh, they're staring at you, Jay.
Ay, bullshit ka, Jay. Kapuha diri uy.
Boats are like the way of transport. They charge the reason.
So you can't walk.
Most of this park is only accessible by
Yeah.
This feels like a boat area.
Probably. You have yours.
Yeah, like look at this park. It's like all water.
Yeah, you can cross.
It should be water park.
Bird park. Should be water park.
Oh wow.
Hello, this is nice.
There's one right there.
Picture to ninyo, picture.
Yo.
Picture to ninyo.
Bye.
Oh, there's herons. actually. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah.
There's been so much like sitting and drinking. Yeah. Just to, like,
Exactly.
walk off some food, you know, burn some calories.
Fresh air.
Yeah. I think we made the best choice, guys.
Yeah.
Of the three, like this is definitely the best choice.
Hotel, we'll be
Yeah.
going there still.
Yeah, it's like we're just gonna chill at our hotel.
Yeah.
And the Chenpi, we've been doing
We've been
that.
there for like, how many
Like
times?
day 3. Oh, let's go over there. The bird watching platform.
Okay. Maybe there's
What is Davao like?
It's the safest place in Philippines because of
Duterte?
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he knows Duterte.
Yeah, he knows the term. He's
Maybe
the best
because-
mayor that we've ever had.
He was running for Alpha.
Wasn't he being like
Yeah,
accused of corruption and stuff?
It's not actually corruption that he's being accused to. It's with the extrajudicial killing
Of the drug
because
dealing.
of the drug wars. Yeah. Don't mind going back.
So Duterte was very popular in Davao.
Yeah.
Yeah, he really is.
He brought like, law and order.
Davao is way safer. Like in Manila, you can't just carry your phones anywhere. You might get snatched.
Yeah.
In Davao, it's way different. You'd be more confident to like travel alone,
Even at night.
even at night. It's just the entrance.
They made this place like an actual area. Oh shit. I got freaked out.
Oh, Chuyoy.
Creepy.
That's cool.
I wonder if they're fake or they're like stuff. They look kind of fake.
Looks like fake. The eyes are fake. Yeah. They're fake. May mong i-preserve, no?
What's the plants?
What part of China that we can see a panda?
Yeah, expected. It's here and Sichuan's like right over here. So we're gonna be very close.
Ooh.
But not quite. Not quite there.
Okay.
And pandas
Too
are
bad.
very rare, so they're
Yeah.
kept in like special habitats.
I see.
It's not like you're gonna see a wild panda.
For sure, yeah.
There's only like, but there's quite a few pandas in like major zoos.
Are they endangered already?
Oh yeah, they're like
Yeah.
very much endangered.
It's time to go back.
Oh, we had a good time
Yeah.
with Lao Tzu Jay.
Lao Tzu Jay. Lao Tzu Jay in the house. Alright guys, see you again. Bila! Vanessa, yeah! Actually!
Really?
Vanessa here, man!